we are going to start our reference book, subject Maths, standard 3rd, and chapter number 5, money to be continued. Now, first number, add the following. Here are given some of money. So, we add sum of rupees and paise. Now, first sum, here are given rupees and paise column. 223 rupees 80 paise, 342 rupees 30 paise. So, we will do add. So, 80, 8, 1 and 3, 4, 3 and 2, 5, 2 and 4, 6, 2 and 3, 5. So, rupees 565 and 48 paise. We write here rupees 565 and 48 paise. Okay. Now, second sum. B. Here are 3 rows. First, rupees and paise column. 175 rupees 30 paise, 326 rupees 19 paise, 934 rupees 67 paise. So, now we get 0, 9, 7. So, 9 and 7, 16. 6 right downside and 1 carry over. Okay, now 1 and 3, 4, 4 and 1, 5, 5 and 6, 11. So, 1 right here and 1 carry. Now, next is create 1 and 5, 6, 6 and 6, 12, 12 and 4, 16, 6 right, downside, 1, carry over. Now, 7 and 1, 8, 8 into 10, 10, 3, 30. So, 3, 1, carry over. Now, 1 and 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 9, 5 and 9, 14. So, we write here 14. Here write rupees 1436 and 16 paise. Now, second number sum, subtract the following. Here, given rupees and paise column, 64 rupees 35 paise. We subtract 9 rupees 24 paise from 6 rupees 64 30 paise. Now, 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 9. 9 is cannot minus from 4. So, we take borrow 14 and here 5. Okay. 14 minus 9. 5 and 5 we write here downside. Now downside write rupees 55 and 11 paise. B number sum rupees and paise 438 rupees 20 paise, 215 rupees 45 paise. Now we will do subtract. Here are 0 and here 5. So 5 is cannot subtract from 0. We take borrow 10. Here we write 1. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 is cannot subtract from 1. So again we take borrow. Here 7. Now 11 minus 4, 7. 7 minus 5, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. So rupees 222 and 75 paise. 3 number sum. From the sum of rupees 715, 30 paise and rupees 257 rupees 80 paise. Subtract rupees 526 rupees 75 paise. So we get first these two digits and after we subtract. Sum of first. So first we write rupees and paise column. Now 715 rupees 30 paise, 257 rupees 80 paise. Now we will do add. 0 0 0 3 8 11 1 carry over 5 and 1 6 6 and 7 13 3 1 carry over 1 and 1 2 2 and 5 7 and 7 and 2 9. So rupees 973 10 paise. Now subtract rupees 526 75 paise from rupees 973 and 10 paise. Now again we write column rupees and paise. 526 rupees. Sorry, first we write 973 rupees and 10 paise and subtract 526 rupees 75 paise. Now here 5 is minus 0, so we take borrow 10. Here 0. Now 10 minus 5, 5. 0. 7 is cannot minus from 0. We take again borrow. Okay. Here 2. 10 minus 7, 3. Now 6 is cannot minus from 2. We take borrow again and here 6. Okay. Now 12 minus 6, 6. 6 minus 2, 4 and 9 minus 5, 4. So rupees 446 and 55 paise. Okay. Now second sum. Next sum. Subtract the sum of rupees 28 75 paise and rupees 6 95 paise from rupees 49 25 paise. First sum of ये 2 digit rupees and paise column. Sum of 28 rupees and 75 paise. 6 rupees 95 paise. sorry, here 1 into 3. So 35 rupees, 35 and 70 paise. Okay. Now this here given sum of, मतलब इसका जो सम है उसको इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है फ्रॉम रुपीज 49 and 25 पैसे. So we write here rupees and पैसे 49, 25 पैसे and we get answer here 35 rupees 70 paise. Now we will do subtract. Okay, 505. Okay, 2 and 7. Big number cannot subtract from 2, so we take borrow 12. 12 minus 7, 5. Here left 8. 8 minus 5, 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Rupees 13 and 55 paise. Today we learn addition of the following, subtract the following of rupees and paise. Here subtraction also rupees and paise, and here given from the sum of addition and subtraction both combined. And first sum of addition and we get answer after we do subtract from answer of first sum. And sorry, here we write 35. Okay, so is 456, 35 and 4 sum. First subtract the sum of, so sum of first sum का जो आंसर है we get answer first sum, and after we subtract from rupees 49.25 paise. So you already understanding both method, subtraction and addition, rupees and paise. You do more practice at home.
Next sum, number 5. From the sum of rupees 98, 75 paise and rupees 242, 36 paise, subtract the sum of rupees 82, 50 paise and rupees 170, 40 paise. So first we do sum of rupees 98, 75 paise and 242, 30 paise. So we write here column half rupees and paise. Okay, first 98 rupees 75 paise and 242 rupees 36 paise. Okay, now first 5 and 6, 11, 1 right here, 1 carry over, and 7 and 3, 10. 10 and 1, 11. 1 carry over, 8 into 10, 10 and 1, 11. 1 carry over, 9 and 1, 10. 10 and 4, 14. So we write here 4 and 1 carry over, 2 and 1, 3. 341 rupees and 11 paise. So, sum of 98 rupees 75 and 242 rupees 36 paise. Okay, we will do this sum. Now next, sum of rupees 82 and 77. So, second sum we write here, sum of second paise 82 rupees 50 paise and 170 rupees 40 paise. Okay. Now 0 0 we put symbol plus 0 0 0 5 and 4 9 2 and 7 9 8 and 1 9 and 199 rupees and 90 paise. So, from the sum of, मतलब इसके सम में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है इस सम को, ये जो सम किया है इसका जो आंसर आता है उसमें से हमें इसका आंसर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो फर्स्ट वी राइट हियर rupees and paise. Now answer of this sum, first write 341 rupees 11 paise and we subtract this sum of this 199 and 90 paise. Okay, now we will do subtract. 1 0 1 1. 9 is cannot minus from 1, so we take borrow 11 and here 0. 11 minus 9 2 0. 9 cannot minus from 0, so we take borrow again 10. 10 minus 9 1, here left 3, so 9 is cannot minus 3, so we take borrow again 13. 13 minus 9 4 and here we take borrow, so here is the number is 2, 1 left, 2 minus 1 1. So, rupees 141 and 21 paise. Okay. Do as directed. Add rupees 13 45 paise, rupees 27 9 paise and rupees 15 67 paise. First we arrange the number in column rupees and paise. 13 rupees 45 paise, 27 rupees 9 paise and 15 rupees 67 paise. Now we will do add this money 5 plus 9 14, 14 and 7 21, 1 right here, 2 carry over, 2 and 4 6, 6 and 6 12, 2 right here, 1 carry over. Now 3 and 1 4, 4 and 7, 4 and 7 11, 11 and 5 16. So 6 right, 1 carry over, 1 2 3 4 and 5, 56 rupees 21 paise. So here we write rupees 56 and 21 paise. Okay. B sum. Subtract rupees 232.55 from rupees 570 20 paise. So here we write first this number and after downside write this number. So rupees and paise. Otherwise we write this type also, rupees 57 and 21 20 paise. 570 rupees and 20 paise. Rupees 570 and 20 paise and downside write rupees 232 and 55 paise. Okay. Now we will do subtract. 5 is cannot minus from 0, so we take borrow. 10 here 1, 5 cannot minus from 1, so again we take 1 here, we put down 9 here 6. Okay. Now we will do subtract. 10 minus 5 5, 11 minus 5 6, 9 minus 2 7, 6 minus 3 and 5 minus 2 3. So the answer is 300 rupees 337 rupees 65 paise. Rupees 337 and 65 paise. So you understanding? Do as directed. And 5 number sum also. Here first sum. Sum means addition. So we write here add. Here also add. And here we write subtract. First both sum are addition and in last subtraction.